Okay, today we're going again to look at the distance between 2 points. This is in Khan Academy, very similar to what we did yesterday on our Desmos graphing. And so they've given us here 2 points, and they want us to figure out the distance. So first of all, I'm going to make this a little bigger, and if you wanted, you could sketch this out on a piece of paper. And like we did yesterday, I would connect those 2 points so that you get the idea. We're asking what is the distance between these 2 points. And the key, again, using Pythagorean theorem, is going to be, can you see the right triangle that's inside of here? And so this is what we're looking at. We're connecting with a vertical piece and a horizontal piece, and then finding out the lengths of those legs. So this first leg, when we count this, starting at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We see that that side length is a 6, and we learned with Pythagorean that we're going to square that, and we get 36. And this other side also, this other leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is also 6 long, or 36. So then the distance between these 2 points is the hypotenuse of our right triangle, which is going to be the 36 plus the 36 is 72, and then of course we have to square root that 72. Now notice in the answer, it's actually square root of 72. They don't actually go on the calculator to find out what that number is. They're allowing us to just use the square root symbol. So very similar to what we did yesterday. Let's look at the second problem in your Khan Academy assignment. And in this one, look, they didn't even give numbers. They're just putting a line on a piece of graph paper. But it's very similar to what we just did. And what they're wanting you to do is see the right triangle. Now, I've gone ahead and, like we did yesterday, I have this in red. I put the triangle on top. We've been doing it on bottom, but I wanted you to see that triangle can actually be drawn on top as well. I've got my horizontal piece and my vertical piece, and here is our right triangle. So again, what we're going to do is count our units, and then we always start with 0 because this will be 1 square. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 units long, and we'll count this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units long. So the distance or the length of that line is our hypotenuse, and what we're going to do is square the legs. Jumped ahead of myself. We're going to get that this 12 squared, 12 times 12, plus the 5 squared, 5 times 5, that's going to be the area made by this length. So 12 times 12 is 144, 5 times 5 is 25, and we add them, we get 169. And so our answer is square root of 169. But I don't see that in here. And in the Khan Academy lesson, if it's a perfect square, we see that that equals 13, and so my answer is 13. So those are the first 2 problems in Khan Academy. And again, it's the distance between 2 points on a graph. All right, thanks.